Hello BIM learners, welcome to BIMmodeler.com. In this video tutorial, we're going to see a simple tool, and we have a lengthy option of video also about model line and schematic symbol line, and we have annotation detail line. So we're going to see option. I have drawn a model line option, which is able to view it in 3D also. You can see them. And very simple tool that we're going to see is that how do we convert? Have you tried this? And if yes, let me know in the comment. So if you click this option, it automatically converts the model line into the detail line, which is visible only in the view. But when it is a model line, you will be able to see them in the 3D. Once you select the detail line, and if you click the convert lines again, it will be converted as 3D line, so that it will be visible in 3D view and plan view as well. So this is the tool that we see today. So you can draw it by mistake. If you have drawn it in one line and you wanted to convert, it is useful. And the second is that when you import AutoCAD lines, you should not, most of the cases, if you import that and convert that into a special case, if you wanted to convert them and explode them in the Revit project and you wanted to convert them into a model line, you can use them. By default, it will come as a detail line, and you can convert them as like this. So you'll be able to do it. So these two useful options are there. I hope this tutorial helped you. Do share it with your learning friends after subscribing and liking, and hype the video if possible. That will be much more helpful to us. And we do BIM services and family creation for AAC partners and manufacturers. Do share our profile also with them if they have a need, a specific need. Thank you so much. And with that, see you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.